In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Instagram picture after posting. A lot of people look for a simple replace image button on Instagram, but right now that feature doesn't exist. You can edit things like the caption, tags, or collaborators, but not the image itself. So the only real way to change a picture after you've posted it is to delete the original post and then upload a new one with the updated image. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step. First, open Instagram and go to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile icon at the bottom right of the app, or by opening Instagram in your browser and selecting your profile from there. You'll see your grid of posts as usual. Next, find and tap on the post whose image you want to change. Take a moment here to double check that this is definitely the one you want to remove, because deleting it will also remove its likes and comments. Once the post is open, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the post. Tap those dots to open the options menu. From the list that appears, choose delete. Instagram will ask you to confirm, so tap delete again. After this, the post and its image will be removed from your profile. Now you're ready to upload the new version. On Instagram's desktop interface, look at the left-hand column and click create, then select post. If you're on mobile, you'll tap the plus icon to start a new post, which does the same thing. You'll now see an option to upload media. Click select from computer, or on mobile, choose from your gallery. Browse your device and select the image you want to use to replace the one you just deleted. Instagram will show you a preview of the image. Here you can crop it if needed to get the framing just right, then click next. On the following screen, you can choose a filter or leave the image as it is, and then click next again. Now add your caption and adjust any final settings, such as tagging people, adding a location, or choosing whether to share to other platforms. When everything looks good, click share. Your updated image is now live as a fresh post on your profile, effectively replacing the one you deleted.